So today I woke up and I decided I wanted to do 75 hard. And with 75 hard, you're supposed to take a progress picture every day. And I already took those pictures, but I'm announcing it for the IG. It's going to be in my stories. 75 more days until the end of the year. This is what I'm looking like so far on my way to do my 2-a-days. I will be doing outside, which would be yoga or walking, and I will be doing the gym twice a day until December 31st. And I'm super excited. I already have my plan and everything, and I'll be doing that all through the stories. So let's get to walking because we got to be at hot yoga by 9 a.m. So I'll be walking there, which is 2 miles, and I'll be walking back, which is 2 miles. So that would be my 2-a-days already completed. Wish me luck.